Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Atlas. In this video I will be talking about AMC. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, like button, definitely helps us out with the YouTube search algorithm, and click the bell icon so that you know whenever we have a new video. I am not a financial advisor, everything I'm sharing is my own opinion, and I highly encourage you to go do your own research. I am on Twitter if you guys want to check me out at CryptoAtlasYT. My handle is right down below the webcam here. Would love for you guys to be a part of the community. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this. AMC is closed out on the day at $54.86, having moved up over the course of the day beyond 14.51%, at one point actually hitting just under $60. So pulled back down. There was a time period right here with this big red candle, as you guys can see. There was a very out of nowhere kind of a position. We were looking like we were potentially going to try and test that $60, and then boom, it just massively tanked. And looking at it on a Fibonacci sequence position, as you guys can see, that basically took us from the 0.618 all the way down to the 0.5. So quite a dramatic drop out of nowhere. Some fighting going on, a little bit of a dip, and then it tried to recover and just kind of went sideways a little bit. So just slightly in the after hours. Right now it's 1:06 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so we're about 6 minutes in, and the market is still slightly recovering. So as you guys can see as I zoom in here, post-market is at $54.95. The SEC has mentioned that they are keeping a closer eye now on everything that's going on with these stocks. And I looked over in the AMC subreddit. I don't have it pulled up right now, and I do apologize about that. But a lot of people are posting pictures where they're doing marketing campaigns in front of Citadel's building in New York City. So things like the shorting positions that are going on. People are posting a picture of themselves. Change my mind that it's not the same thing as counterfeiting money, as counterfeiting stocks, right? There's a car that was across the street that had advertisements on it and stuff, and I guess the police came and told them that they needed to move their car. I don't know if that was because they were illegally parked or not, or what, but yeah. So a lot of people are really upset right now. And there's a lot of signs that suggest that there are shenanigans that are going on. And if there are, I hope the SEC catches these people. This is messed up. And we can't have a system that keeps revolving like this, guys. The time has come. And there's a message that needs to be conveyed. So moving on, one of the shenanigans that's going on is the short interest rate has been going down. But there's not exactly a strong correlation to signify the amount of the short interest that's going down. And so there's some suggestions, opinions that people are having, and I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys on that. So this is from 2:50 a.m. The short interest, according to Ortex, was at 14.32%. Following up with that, a couple hours later, dropped down to 13.94%, then 13.83%, and then went down to 11.71. This just doesn't seem logical, guys. It just doesn't. And so what the community is discussing on this is some of the following, right? First off, the data that's being reported, as Reaper's Gavel posted over here, is that it isn't confirmation bias. Remember that all data on shorting is self-reported. Ortex, IHOR, FINRA, they can only report to us what they are aware of. These self-reported numbers aren't even close to true figures, but Ortex, they can't speculate on those things. The cover they did on 31 million was 95% upright, so calm down. They didn't cover anywhere close to 31 million lies. They haven't even covered that many. It's all fake numbers. This is the sentiment that's going on with a lot of the people in the community. Some interesting news. AMC and GameStop likely to enter the Russell 1000. The cutoff for entering Russell 1000 has been updated to a market capitalization of $5.2 billion. AMC's market cap is currently $25 billion and GameStop's $18 billion. To stay at a market cap of over $5.2 billion, AMC's share price needs to be over 10.13 and GameStop's 70.1, which is pretty likely, right? I mean, right now, AMC is at 54.86. Well, in the after hours, it's 54.86. Okay. $17.9 trillion tracks the Russell indexes, and hence this can cause significant additional buying pressure in AMC and GameStop on and before the 28th of June. Ortex will soon offer access to our index rebalance product, which predicts these changes ahead of time, as well as options data. Continuing on, the average age, this was additional data that was in regards to the short interest. I believe there was something that someone else had shared on one of these posts. The naked short interest is what I was referring to, by the way, guys, of what a lot of people are alleging is taking place, and that the data just isn't really adding up. Here's that van I was talking about that was across from the Citadel, and I guess the police right here are trying to tell them that they need to move. All right, continuing on. So they're suggesting once again that they are faking these covered calls, the long call options. Sorry, I'm slurring a couple of my words here, guys. Faking covering with long call options is another suggestion that's going on from the community. Let me know what your guys' thoughts and opinions on that are in the comments down below. And just continuing on, we have 500,000 shares available to borrow. This was just slightly ago, within the last 30 minutes, it was 450,000. So that number has since gone up, suggesting that there's another 50,000 shares that's been added to that. In addition to that, the ETF shares available are 2.84 million. This is about the same as what I saw last time on Friday. And just curious here, do we have any updates on this? That's June 4th still. I'm curious about the trading data and seeing if that's going to be updated. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap up the rest of this video. Just here taking a look at the Fibonacci sequence. Right now, as you guys can see, there's a big drop down that took place between that. That was right around 58.49 and 54. It was right around 54.17. So it's holding up above and between the 0.5 Fibonacci sequence and the 0.618. If it can manage to recover and retest the 0.618, I'd be looking at a nice strong run opportunity, making its rally back up to 64.69. Breaking above that has a clear shot all the way back up to right around the $72.75 range. If we can break 75, guys, 100, then next thing again, if you can smash 100, then I think it's got a really strong rally opportunity right there. But I would expect a huge sell wall for a lot of different reasons from regular retailers that are potentially just ready to sell at $100 too, right? Not everyone has the same sentiment and the same state of mind saying that they're going to hold $100,000 or $500,000. Would it be nice? Yeah, it would be amazing. It would change a lot of people's lives, and the more people that hold, the more the likelihood is that we can actually achieve that. But be realistic. There will be people that are going to sell at that position. Let's just hope that there are more people that are holding than there are that are selling, right? So there will be a sell wall position at $100. And yeah, if it decides to drop down further, then I'd be looking at a next level support right around 49.79. And I am looking at this based on Fibonacci sequences, guys. So depending on how things go tomorrow, hopefully it rallies up further. It is rallying up right now in the after hours. We have seen in after hours, several hours in, that it makes like a really strong push. So I think there's a lot of potential still behind this. You guys tell me what you think in the comments down below. Once again, please do not forget to hit subscribe if you're new. Hit the thumbs up like button. Click the bell icon. Feel free to share the video if you think this video was helpful. And please keep in mind, guys, that my name is Crypto Atlas. I mostly cover cryptocurrencies, but I do like AMC, and I've got a series going on AMC as well. And the cryptocurrency that I really, really like right now is called SafeMoon. So if you check out my videos, I've got a ton of videos on it, but it's for a reason. I really do like that project. I support Bitcoin. I support a lot of other coins too. And referral links in the description. Coinbase, Gemini, BlockFi, Robinhood, Webull, if you want to get free cryptocurrency or stocks. Check them out. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.